Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
If you've ever wished to creating a clean, functional dashboard in Notion could be, well, simple. This video is absolutely for you. Today, I'm sharing my secret to building simple dashboards in Notion. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to create a professional-looking workspace using a free template, and you'll be able to customize it so it fits your unique needs, all without getting lost in a sea of complex setups or confusing options. Let's jump straight in and set up your dashboard the smart way. First, open up Notion and make sure you're logged in. Now, here's the trick. Instead of starting with a blank page, we're going to make things much easier on ourselves by using the free Simple Dashboards template. Trust me, this shortcut doesn't just save you time, it gives your dashboard a professional polish right from the start. Templates are designed by experienced users and designers, so they have built-in formatting, clever layouts, and just enough structure to keep things organized, but they're still flexible enough to tailor to your own workflow. At the top left of your Notion window, you'll see a tiny drop-down arrow, often next to your workspace name. Click it to reveal more options. Take your time here if it's your first go. Notion's menus can look a little overwhelming, but we're just looking for browse templates. When you find it, click through. If it's hiding, don't stress. Sometimes templates are tucked a few layers deep, depending on your Notion update. Once you're in Template Picker, use the search bar to type Simple Dashboards. You'll see a few results pop up. If you already know of a master database or another design that fits your style or your work, feel free to search for that instead. But for today, let's stick to Simple Dashboards, since it's free and easy to work with. When you're browsing through the templates, take a moment to preview them. You'll notice how these dashboards have areas for tasks, goals, notes, and maybe even some creative space for uploading files or images. They look sharp, but don't worry. You can swap out anything you don't need later. Once you find the Simple Dashboards template, click Add or Use this template and let Notion do its thing. This might take a few moments to load, so if you're staring at a spinning wheel, give it a second. All right, now your template is live in your workspace. This is where the fun begins. You'll see different sections for things like credentials, creatives, or task lists. If you want to keep track of your passwords or logins, add your credentials in the right section. Want to brainstorm project ideas or keep photos and designs at your fingertips? Add those to the creatives area. Think of your dashboard as your digital cockpit. Everything you need in one glance. Now for customization. Don't be afraid to make this dashboard feel like it belongs to you. You can change the page icons, add banners, shift colors, rename sections, and rearrange databases to match your workflow. If you're building dashboards for a team, play around with permissions so everyone gets the access they need, but sensitive info stays protected. Remember, you can't break anything by exploring. Notion lets you undo changes easily, so feel free to get creative. And really, that's it. With these simple steps, you've set up a dashboard in Notion that not only looks professional, but truly works for you. If you're just starting out, try spending a few days using the dashboard and tweak it as you go. The more you use it, the more ideas you'll get for customizing it further. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this walkthrough helpful, hit that like button to let me know. Drop a comment below with any questions, or share your favorite Notion dashboard tip. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step Notion tutorials and productivity hacks. Good luck dashboarding, and I'll catch you in the next video.